part two. Storm chasing. I hope you guys like this. Go watch part one. Guys, just go watch part one so you know how dangerous it is. I'm with you guys, y'all. And if you guys didn't watch part one, it's of a funnel cloud. And cars are rushing. Like I got jump scared because one was rushing. But there is a funnel cloud. Guys, please like and subscribe, bro. I'm risking it. Subscribe to part one. Watch part one if you haven't. If you guys don't know and you're new to the channel, I storm chase on my bike, but I don't post it. It's like the first time me posting it. Oh, there was some thunder or lightning, whatever you call it. Yeah, there's a tornado probably producing because over there, that's a funnel. Oh, you could see it more in real life. Okay, guys, I'm far away from home and I'm just walking my home. Guys, please subscribe. Please, guys. I don't want to die. This is above me. That's the funnel cloud. Oh, that was a good one. Yo, why is there gnats all over? Yup, it's moving in circles. That's a funnel cloud. Yo, that's like an E of 5 funnel cloud. Oh, I hope it doesn't produce, but for you guys, it's producing. It's producing. Guys, it's producing. I'm risking my safety for you guys. Okay, we're gonna sit right here.